Hello, beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing good. Today, we journey into the root chakra, which is your sacred foundation of safety, stability, and strength. This chakra is the root of your being, the connection that connects you to Mother Earth. If you have been feeling anxious, restless, or unsafe, this practice will cleanse, balance, and strengthen your root, grounding you deeply in peace. So find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in, hold gently for a moment, and exhale fully, releasing tension. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming heavier, calmer, more rooted in the present moment. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine at your perineum and visualize a glowing red sphere of light pulsing with energy. With each inhale, this red light grows brighter and brighter. And with each exhale, all the fear, worries, and doubts are released. You are safe. You are protected. You are here. From above, imagine a golden stream of divine light flowing down, entering through your crown, traveling down your spine, and reaching your root chakra. This golden light gently washes away all heaviness, fear, and energy that does not belong to you. Your root chakra now glows a pure, radiant red, cleansed and renewed. See the red sphere at your root chakra spinning smoothly, steady, calm, and perfectly balanced. Now repeat these affirmations softly within. I am safe. I am deeply grounded. I am supported by the universe. I belong here on earth. Feel these words anchoring into your being. Now, imagine powerful roots extending from the base of your spine, growing down through the earth deeper and deeper until they reach the glowing heart of Mother Earth. Through these roots, Feel Earth's nurturing red energy rising up to you, charging your root chakra with stability, security, confidence, and strength. Your foundation is unshakable. You are strong. You are protected. With every breath, your root chakra radiates a warm red glow. This light surrounds your body, creating a shield of safety and trust. You are deeply connected to yourself, to life, and to the earth. Take a deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this grounded, balanced, safe, and powerful energy into your day. Thank you.